Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're about to do a video collaboration. It's going to be a barbecue rib collaboration with Taylor's Fire Smoke Barbecue. If you go over to Taylor Smoke Barbecue, tell them Ray Mack sent you. I'm guaranteeing you will love this here channel and find out what he's grilling over there on them ribs. Here's what I've got going on. Right now, I want to show you guys how I can remove, or how you can remove, the membrane from some baby back ribs just as easy. The first thing that I want you to grab, get you a butter knife, and I want you to work right down the middle of that there rib and try to get that membrane, get in between the membrane with that butter knife. Once you can get into that membrane with the butter knife, take your fingers. It'll work easy if you could use some paper towels as well. But I want you to take your finger, put it right in between that membrane, and then once you got your finger in that membrane, just go ahead and start to work that thing loose. You know what I'm saying? Once you work it loose, put your finger at the bottom. You hold up that rib tight, pressing it down, and while you're pressing it down, take it and pull it straight on up, and that membrane will come off easy. Now, this is how I do it with baby back ribs. Now we're gonna go ahead and make us some mustard slather. Y'all heard me right, some mustard slather. Now, this works good with some barbecue. I'm telling you right now. You can try this even with some fried chicken or fried pork chop. I don't care what you try it on, but this here mustard slather is gonna be something good. So the first thing I'm doing here, y'all, I got me some Miracle Whip, and I'm taking at least around about 6 to 7 of tablespoons. I'm talking like the regular tablespoon that you like eat with out of your mama's drawer, or out of your, that tablespoon. Take about 6 or 7 of those. The next ingredients that I'm gonna add to this is I'm gonna take some mustard, and I'm gonna squirt that mustard right on up in there. Just a little bit. No, I'm just joking, y'all. Use your own judgments on this here recipe. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong if you use your own judgments. So you don't need no measurements with this here. So we got the Miracle Whip in there. We also got that mustard. Now what I want to do is take me some of this here dill pickle juice and put it on up in there too. It's gonna make it all good. Everything is gonna marry together. Then I got some of the Spain spices, and this right here, y'all, is that garlic and herb Spain spices. I'm telling you, I love Spain spices. If y'all ain't tried Spain spices, something wrong with y'all. But get that Spain spices and throw it on up in there. Now I got some of this here chopped onions. It's dried chopped onions. You can use minced onions or whatever. If you even want to use real onions, go for it. Now I got some parsley right here, some dried parsley as well. Now another thing that I'm using right here, y'all, is some brown sugar. This brown sugar is gonna sweeten up your mustard slather right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this here mustard slather, but if you get this recipe a try, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you. Don't go nowhere, because you might miss exactly what's gonna come up at the end of this here video. You're gonna love this video. So mix everything together. As you can see, see how these flavors come together. Look at these herbs. Look at the parsley. I'm telling you, y'all, you can try this on fried food if you want to fry you some chicken or fry you some pork chop. Even if you want to put it on some fish, try it. You might like it. I ain't never tried it, but I have tried it on grilled steak. But check this one out. Next thing we're gonna do with this mustard slather is we're gonna go ahead and slather up these here ribs with this here slather. But I'm finna be quiet right now so you can see me slather up these ribs. That didn't sound good. Yeah, I'm gonna slather these ribs up. I'll be right back. Okay, family. Look, check this one out. Look at these ribs. Tell me right now that these ribs don't look good with just the mustard slather on it. And we ain't even hit the grill yet. But we're about to hit this grill, but we're gonna season this baby up with some kosher salt. After we go ahead and add some kosher salt to this, we're gonna add some black pepper. You know we gotta have some pepper to these here ribs. I like it when they got a lot of pepper on it. It just makes it so peppery. After that right there, we're gonna go ahead and get some of this It's Lit lemon pepper by Mesha. You can find Mesha on MESHA'S CORNER. She created this stuff, y'all, and I'm telling you, this seasoning is off the chain. I'm gonna leave a link below where you can find you some. The next thing I'm gonna do right here, and I'm gonna hit it with some of that sweet heat poultry seasoning by MESHA'S CORNER. I'm telling you, y'all think I'm joking. I'm using these seasonings for a reason. That's why this video is being created, because of MESHA'S CORNER. That girl can make some good food too, y'all. Y'all need to go over there and check out MESHA'S CORNER. After that right there, man, I'm putting that on. Now I want to go ahead and hit the other side with the seasonings. You understand what I'm saying? With that sweet heat, that lemon pepper, that salt, and that black pepper. That's all the seasonings that I'm putting on this here. So now I'm getting the grill right. But listen for instructions on how to set it up. All right, YouTube, look, this is how we got our grill set up. I got a Weber kettle grill, and we're using indirect heat. What that means is I got all of my heat resources on this side, and I put 2 bricks right down the middle of that right there, and this side has no bricks at all. All right, so when I place my ribs on, I'm gonna place my ribs right here on the side where no meat is at, and then I'm just gonna cover it up and basically just let it cook. All right, so that's how I got my grill set up. Okay, family, this is what I want you to do while the meat is on the grill. I want you to cook this meat for at least around about 2 to 3 hours until the meat is cooked. But for 45 minutes, every 45 minutes, I want you to take you some apple cider vinegar and start spraying them ribs down. But look at this here, y'all. This right here, this Peach Pleaz, is the star of the show, made by Mesha from MESHA'S CORNER. The girl is bad, y'all. Y'all think I'm lying. She got her own seasoning product and her own barbecue sauce. Look at that barbecue sauce. It's dripping wet. Oh my God. Anyway, look at these ribs. And look at that barbecue sauce. It just make you want to just put your tongue all on it and make you want to lick the rib while it's on the grill right now. But we can't do that because it's nasty if we lick it right now. But just wait till it's done before you lick it. But anyway, look at the other side of these here ribs. Now I'm adding this here barbecue sauce to the last 15 minutes of cooking. Once you add it for the last 15 minutes of cooking, it's ready to serve up. And I'm telling you right now, if you got these ingredients with that barbecue sauce, that Peach Pleaz, that lemon pepper, and if you got you some of that sweet heat meat poultry seasoning, you ready, you in the game, you ready to get it popping. I'm telling you, follow this here recipe, and I guarantee you, you're gonna definitely love it. With that mustard slather, with those seasonings, and here we go with the finished product. Let's go. These here peach barbecue ribs paired up real nicely with this here peach salsa, y'all. This homemade peach salsa. I'm telling you, it was good. But please, pretty please, get yourself some of this here Peach Pleaz barbecue sauce made by Mesha. I'm telling you, you're gonna definitely love it. But I love putting down these ribs, y'all. I swear to God, with this here peach barbecue sauce and that peach salsa. Perfect combination. Go check out my boy Tyler's Fire Smoke Barbecue. Yes, indeed. See what he's cooking up. And also, thank you so much for watching this here video. If you like this video, continue to watch these other videos. But do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to this here channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I always say this at the end: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.